I'm gonna show you how to trade Forex MT5 on pocket option. So to get started, you have to open your pocket option first, or pocket option website, and then from there you just have to log in into your account and then click on trade now. As you can see, the chart now is in Forex Euro USD, and then from there you just have to click on trading right on the left pane, and then from there you will see that the MT4 or MT5 demo account or real account. So it's either you choose the both. So from there you just have to choose one. So I'm just gonna choose on demo account, and then from there it will load up. And as you can see, it's now in Euro USD and it's in Forex MT5 demo. You can switch to real account by switching it or clicking it into real account trading, and then from there you just have to log in into your account still. So that's just it. You can now start trading in MT5 on pocket option. So that's how to trade Forex MT5 on pocket option.